Good morning, second sem students, UPGC come up. Yesterday we did complete successfully paper 4 and now we are going to enter paper 5th, name literary criticism. Criticism, the word which mean generally we comment and people comment themselves and they draw the meaning, commenting and criticizing. That is informal meaning. When it comes to literature, English literature, literary criticism, which means the critic is supposed to have sound knowledge to comment on particular work, to criticize. Criticism is a balanced one. It is not having any partiality, and the criticism can be kept for artistic work and biographies and pragmatic criticism and comparative criticism. There are many criticisms. When we go to types of the criticism, I explain everything. First, let us see the introduction of the criticism. The introduction, as far as literary English literature is concerned, criticism, which means evaluation of the work, which means evaluation of the work. You evaluate some work and you give your ideas unless and until you have what do we call intellectuality. You must be expert to criticize a particular work, then only your criticism will be taken into consideration. Otherwise it will be what do we call lost the ideas and you can't criticize a particular work. In order to criticize a particular work of literature, whether drama, prose work, fiction or non-fiction, or any kind of work or play, anything, we should have the knowledge, we should have that related knowledge. That is the introduction of the criticism. Coming to the functions of the criticism, two thoughts I want to draw here for you. I want to draw your attention, listen very carefully. Functions of the criticism. The first one is merits and demerits you are going to observe in the work. The second thought is you become a judge, judgment you are going to pass. What do I mean here? I mean you give verdict, V-E-R-D-I-C-T, verdict, verdict, which means you are going to give related ideas and work to be how to be written, how to write a particular work. That related points you are going to mention and you make judgment almost. That is the functions of the criticism. Coming to the types of criticism. Biography criticism. Do you know what is the meaning of biography? Biography, a work, we write about somebody, their life and their ideas and their what do we call contributions and everything. That is called a biography. Autobiography, oneself be written, that is called autobiography. If somebody will write about personally about themselves, that is called autobiography. Biography means, suppose I write a particular great people are there, I select one great personality and I write about them, that is called biography. And biography criticism, where you should mention facts, you don't collect fake ideas and you don't write any fake things. And next, pragmatic criticism. Pragmatic means related to truth, related to facts. You should not mention, you should not write fake material, you should not collect fake material. Fake, the word here, I want to tell you, when you criticize, when you after reading a particular work, suppose a drama or fiction, after reading a particular, writing a particular work, you should have the talent of criticizing the ideas and the things which are mentioned in the work. If you do not have knowledge, how do you mention? First, you should be talented. You should be a voracious reader. You should have that kind of knowledge. then only you comment, otherwise your comments, your criticism will not be considered. This is the types of criticism: biographies and pragmatic and constructive criticism. Balance you should maintain. Not to attack personally. Here personal matters not to take care. Only the work, how the work is written, and whether rules followed while writing the work, whether rules are followed or not. These things you consider and you give criticism. These are the things in this video I want to keep before you. First one, the introduction I have taught you. Second one, the functions, two thoughts. The first thought is merits and demerits finding, and second thought is you become a judge and you are going to place the verdict on a particular work. Third thing is types of criticism I mentioned: autobiography, biography, and constructive and pragmatic, and these are all the types of the criticism in this video I have taught you. And one more advice I want to give you: every video, if some of the Telugu medium students are there, if they don't understand, you should maintain one dictionary and you should take the word I have pronounced here, and you must search in the dictionary. Then only you come to understand what I have taught you. Thank you. Nice of you. Stay learning.